Welcome to another episode of Ask the Experts. Today's guest is Eric Yasinski with Henry's Eavestroughing. Eric has some helpful tips to make sure your eaves troughs are in good condition and not causing expensive damage to your home.
So one of the major ones is keep your flip-ups down. You could also do some preventative issues by doing some walk around your house, checking all the corners, make sure they're not leaking. And if they are, you can call a professional or even go up there on a ladder yourself and apply some gutter guard seal. Getting up on the roof with snow, especially if your roof is steep, is very hazardous, and you should call a professional if you need snow removal in the higher parts of your roof areas. Basically in the fall you could clean out your eaves troughs, make sure all the leaves are out, and that also opens up your downspouts. If you have a problem area during the winter all the time with ice, you can call an electrician to apply some heat tape into your eaves trough.